Hi flutes! Today we are going to be doing the note B again, and we're going to learn two more notes, A and G. So by the end of this lesson you will know B, A, and G. Last week we did B, and we had your first finger here. Remember I put some googly eyes on my flute so I knew where not to put my fingers. You could use a sticker or just a piece of tape. And my thumb is on the paddle key. This one I think looks like a golf club. This one I think looks like a paddle, so I call this one the paddle key. So to play B, these fingers are hovering, these fingers are hovering. Here's something new that I didn't show you last week, but now that you're an expert, I would like you to put your pinky down for B. This is going to be a little tricky for some of you because maybe you weren't using your hands correctly and you were just kind of holding this down here. So you're going to make a C, shape of a C. Your thumb goes under here, so my hand is coming from behind, like I'm going to reach out to get someone. Rah. So your thumb comes from behind the flute and goes under here. Just let the flute rest on your thumb and put your pinky down on the closest key of the foot. If this feels really weird, you can adjust slightly to get it closer or further, wherever it feels comfortable for you. But it should be pretty close to having this rod in the middle of this key. Just like that. All three notes we do today are going to use this pinky, so you just stick it there and let it hang out. So, we've got our B fingers down. Let's play song number 1 together in the book. As a reminder, we are ignoring this little flat sign. So this is just going to be regular B. It's on the third line, every good boy. That's how we know it's B. So it's B for 4, rest for 4. 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 Let's play that together. If you don't have your flute set up yet, please pause and go grab it. Put your B fingers down. Don't forget that pinky. And let's play song number 1. 1, 2, ready, play. Don't forget to make the shelf. That's with my finger right here. I'm going to let the flute kind of rest into my finger, and the flute makes a little shelf. My finger makes a little shelf to hold the flute so it doesn't feel like I'm going to drop it. You don't want to be playing like this because that's actually going to really start to hurt your fingers. It hurts me just to do that. So keep your nice curved fingers with a shelf right here. The next note for song number 2 is A. A is in a space, so we use space. F, A, C, E. Here's A. The way you play A is by using your B fingers plus one more. I call this one the peace sign note because you skip this key in here, so it's like you're making a peace sign. So this is a peace sign note. Your thumb is still on the paddle key. Your pinky is still on the first key of the foot down here. And this is what A looks like. Let's play number 2 together now. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, flutes, hopefully you're successful with that so far. If you're having a hard time making sound, think about all the things we've talked about. Blow your air straight down so that you feel it on your finger, not in front of you. And remember that your lip should actually cover a little bit of the hole. Like that. So a little bit of the hole is covered by your bottom lip. The last note we're going to do today is G. You just place down one more finger. So here was A, here's G. It might be a good idea to practice those fingers and just say to yourself, B, A, G, B, A, G, B, A, G, G, A, B, G, A, B. If you remember the recorder, you probably can play a few songs now because these are the first 3 notes you learned on recorder. B, A, G. So feel free to have some fun with that. But right now we're just going to play song number 4. So we're skipping song number 3. We're going right to song number 4 where we have G. G is on the line, so it's every good boy deserves fudge. That's the note G. Let's play G. G is the lowest note we know, so you need to blow your air right straight down into the flute. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So flutes, this week you are going to be playing songs 1, 2, and 4, and have fun with those.